I'm Nicole, and today I'm making Italian Carnival cookies. Light, crispy, and irresistible. Let's get started. We start by making the pasta dough. Yes, pasta dough. That means some flour, granulated sugar, and some sweet aromas like cinnamon, vanilla, and a little bit of orange zest. Unlike regular egg pasta, Italian Carnival cookies include butter, in addition to the eggs. We need whole eggs here, and we mix them into the flour just as we do for egg pasta dough, mixing them with a fork until the dough is shaggy. Like this. At this point, you can add a few tablespoons of liquor. Here I'm using grappa, but rum or a sweet wine like marsala are also excellent choices. Essentially, in this video, you're also getting a pasta tutorial, because here I'm going to knead the dough just like pasta for about 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. When you gently push in with your finger, the dough should spring back like this. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. And now, you guessed it, it's time to stretch. We're going to be stretching just 1/5 of the dough at a time. It's about 100 grams. And we're stretching this dough just like pasta. Start the pasta roller at the widest setting. With each pass, reduce the width of the pasta roller. If the sheet of pasta ever gets too long and unwieldy, simply cut it in half and pass each part of the pasta through separately. Here I keep going until I reach the thinnest setting on the pasta roller, thin enough to see the shape of your hand through when you hold the pasta up to the light. The thinner the pasta, the more delicate the crisp. There are several shapes that are classic for these cookies. This is the most canonical. Here I'm using a ravioli cutter to do the job. The strips of pasta should be twice as long as they are wide. These Carnival cookies go by many different names throughout Italy, depending on the region. They're called chiacchiere, frappe, bugie, and in the United States, sometimes they're called angel wings. For the classic shape, you can make these strips a little bit wider or smaller depending on your preference. Another popular shape for these cookies is the knot, and that looks like this. And we have the bow tie. And finally, the ribbon. And now it's time to deep fry these beauties. Fry the cookies in batches. They'll take about 20 seconds aside at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I am giving them a flip. These cookies are really fun to make, and the part that's most fun is watching them puff up in the oil. I never get tired of it. Now that we have a stack of chiacchiere, how will we decorate them? Well, there are a few different ways, some of them traditional and some of them not so much, but all of them delicious. The most classic method for decorating the chiacchiere is also the easiest: powdered sugar. You can also sprinkle some alkermes liquor, a liquor famous for Carnival, with notes of cinnamon and clove, and then finish that off with powdered sugar. Or you can melt some chocolate for a non-traditional but festive finish. Or if you love the chocolate idea but are short on time, just drizzle it on like this, and you'll have a chaotic frappe just like Carnivale itself. Happy Carnivale e buon appetito! Like, hype, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more sweet and savory recipes from around the world.